Hello everyone. Today is 30th of December. Everyone is planning for parties and I'm just bored sitting at home. So I figured why wait for New Year to start a new adventure? So here I am packing my bag and ready to leave. And हर राइड के पहले की तरह इस रात भी मुझे नींद आ नहीं रहा था. So I thought let's leave early. So it's 5:30 in the morning. I'm almost done my packing and ready to leave for Pondicherry to celebrate my new year. जब बाइक फुल्ली लोडेड होती है तब लगता है असली एडवेंचर स्टार्ट होने वाला है. So this is my plan for today. My first stop will be Krishnagiri. I'll have some breakfast over there and leave directly for Pondicherry. I might take a stop at Ginji. As my destination is just 310 km from my house, so I'm expecting हम अगले 5 घंटे में समुंदर के किनारे होंगे. एक्चुअल में ये बैंगलोर एग्जिट करने का बेस्ट टाइम है. नो ट्रैफिक, नो सिग्नल एंड द रोड्स आर जस्ट अमेजिंग. जस्ट वाओ. इस रोड पे तो ब्रेक लेने का मन ही नहीं कर रहा था, बट आफ्टर कवरिंग अप्रॉक्स 100 and something kilometers, I thought let's take a break. And we almost reached the Krishnagiri, which was our first stopping point. And हर बार की तरह I ordered the same thing, मसाला डोसा and filter coffee. And क्या व्यू था, the sunrise and my fully loaded bike. After taking 30 minutes of breakfast break, I resumed my ride. Because of this beautiful road, ये song मेरे दिमाग में play हो रहा था. And then I reached my hostel. The view from the hostel is just amazing. Look at this. Samne ocean. And there is a deck kind of a thing. You can just chill and enjoy the evening. Once the hostel tour was finished, I took a quick shower and ran towards the deck. I took the book with me, enjoying the book, the view and the ocean breeze all together. As this is my solo trip, so my first goal was to make a new friend. And mission accomplished, I just met Shrestha. We chit-chatted for next 30-40 minutes discussing what's the plan for New Year. But apparently दोनों ही वेट कर रहे थे किसी और के प्लान्स को ज्वाइन करने के लिए, as दोनों का खुद का कोई प्लान ही नहीं था. Actually this is the way I like to travel. Just book a stay, go there with no plans. And जो होगा देखा जाएगा. आज तो कुछ प्लान तो बना नहीं, so I thought let's go for a run. So I went for a run for approx 1 kilometer and reached this rocky kind of a beach. I took some photos, videos, and while coming back I bought some ice cream. And yeah, that's all for the day. It's the next morning and I dragged myself out of the bed early hoping for a sunrise. The cloud had other plans and blocked the view, but honestly it's fine. I met some great people at the dinner last night and we spent morning playing frisbee instead, making the best out of it. Sunrise तो होने से रहा, so we just went for breakfast, had bread and chocolate for amazing bowl and coffee. Then we went for some gelatos at GMT. I basically spent the entire day on self-guided food tour, hopping from one cafe and bakery to the next. To be honest, I was pretty nervous about being on my own, especially the thought of eating alone. But it turned out I actually loved it. Enough with the cafe hopping. It's New Year party time. The whole reason we traveled this far. Let's skip the snacks and get straight to the vibes. The party was organized in our hostel. The party started with techno music. Somehow we managed. पर उसके बाद बॉलीवुड पे जो नाचे हैं लोग. We danced till 2 AM. सही में यार बहुत मजा आया. More than I expected. Then we sat near the deck, did some chit chat. कुछ लोग बीच पे पटाखे फोड़ रहे थे. So we enjoyed the view and called it a day. Finally it's the first day of the new year and जिसका शुरुआत होता है इस beautiful view के साथ जो मेरे बेड से दिख रहा था. And the first thing after waking up we did is we headed towards the beach and played frisbee for an hour. देखो फर्स्ट डे तो स्पेशल होना चाहिए, तो उसके लिए हम लोग निकल गए स्पेशल ब्रेकफास्ट, स्पेशल कॉफ़ी and special places visit करने के लिए. And of course with special people. We ordered fruit ball, coffee, croissant and so many other things. And यहाँ influencers aesthetic photos लेते हुए. Then we went to Mark's Cafe, which was famous for its coffee. We tried different kind of coffees. It was really good. थोड़ा window shopping करते हुए we decided let's go to Matri Mandir in Auroville. It felt like a wrong decision क्योंकि मेन मंदिर तक पहुंचने में हमें 2 किलोमीटर तक धूप में वॉक करना पड़ा. एंड अंदर जाना तो वैसे भी अलाउड नहीं था. Done with Auroville और हम लोग अब निकल गए पैराडाइज बीच की तरफ. This is one of the most beautiful beach in Pondicherry. We are racing like maniac in traffic, but it was so fun. Me on my V-Strom, Cezanne on his BMW 310 and Oves on his Aprilia RS 457. And Shrestha was my pillion for this trip. We reached the Paradise Beach. पर सच पूछो तो मुझे सारे बीच एक जैसे ही लगते हैं. It was fun. We chilled around. We took some photos and videos क्योंकि Instagram पे लोगों को जलाना भी तो है. बीच पे लोग बीच वॉलीबॉल खेल रहे थे. मैंने दूर से एंजॉय किया क्योंकि मुझे खेलना नहीं आता. But this was one of the best part of the day, saddling on the sand. Oof. It's the end of the first day of the year and I'm heading back to the hostel. Honestly, I was so nervous to take this trip alone. But I met this incredible bunch of people and within hours it felt like we have known each other for years. And honestly, it never felt like a solo trip at all. And this first day of the year turned out to be so much better than I could have imagined. Woke up to the same mesmerizing view this morning. I was supposed to head back to Bangalore today. But since everyone is staying one more day, I decided to extend my trip as well. क्योंकि मेरा भी बिल्कुल जाने का मन नहीं था. The vibes are too good to leave yet. आज का प्लान एकदम सिंपल था. Just roam around in White Town, check out few more cafes and bakeries, and click some more pictures. मैंने आज कुछ खास रिकॉर्ड नहीं किया. So this is it, the final dinner. Shrestha is leaving tonight and rest of us will follow tomorrow. It's crazy how group of strangers can become family in just few days. We started as a solo travelers, but we are leaving with a lifetime of memories.